So I have the new camera, pretty cheap camera from Walmart, but it was able to do it. It's got dual zone, it's got front and back view, and its ability to send the videos to the phone. But I don't know if I read that wrong or what, but so far I can view it and I can supposedly download it, and it says it's downloading it, but I go to the memory on my phone and everything and I can't find it. So unless I'm gonna try and go to a Wi-Fi source tonight, and maybe that's when it transfers over for actual files on the phone. If not, it's only got the SD card, and it's gonna be a very long time before I would ever get like a computer to do all that, to be able to transfer it to YouTube that way, because it'd be very long and annoying. And I don't want to buy a laptop anytime soon just to have to transfer video of driving to the phone, to the computer. I'd rather quickly upload it from the phone. Only does 1 minute per time on the video. Does have good audio and video quality front and back, but 1 minute at a time is the most it'll do. It saves it for each file at 1 minute, which is, that's fine, quick middle minutes. It will work for what I needed to do mainly on the road, which is catch anything that happens to this truck. If somebody were to hit it, clip the bumper as they come in too close, or hit me from behind like that trooper about did the other day. It will capture those moments and save my ass, liability wise, which is the main reason I bought it. But the YouTube part of it is not working out yet. I just thought I'd upload this. That's where I'm at right at the moment. I spent an hour playing around with the instructions and everything. So far I've not been able to figure it out. The only thing I can think of is try to connect my phone to a regular Wi-Fi source and then connect it to that, and maybe that's what connects and transfers that over, because I can view it from the app in my phone remotely with the two connected through the camera's Wi-Fi, and it says it's downloading it, but I can't find the movie files anywhere. I looked up a movie where it's saving.mov and everything. Nothing's saving to my phone, but it is all saved in the camera, so I'm not worried about that. But that's where we're at right now. Like and subscribe, leave comments, and I'll catch you in flip. Peace.